Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore how to enable Redwood Pages in Oracle HCM. Let's take the termination page as our example. First, we need to navigate to Setup and Maintenance. This is our Oracle testing instance. Now, we need to search for the task, Manage Administrator Profile Values. Go ahead and select the task. Next, we need to search for the code. Make sure to select the appropriate code. You can observe that the site value here is currently set to no. We need to change it to yes. This setting is specifically for the termination page. Now you can save and close this window. For the Resign from Employment page, we need to add an additional value. We'll need to set this to yes as well. By default, these pages will be disabled. Therefore, we are going to enable those pages now. I will demonstrate whether we can view the termination page here. As you can see, the termination page is present. Let's check to see if it is Redwood enabled. No, this is not the Redwood page. I will select the Show More options. Let's sign out and sign in again. You can find a Terminate Employment option here. Let's check if this is Redwood enabled. Yes, see now we have the Redwood page for Terminate Employment. We are providing Managed HCM/ERP Consulting, AI for ERP, Automated Testing, Enterprise Architecture Services, Redwood and Visual Builder Studio Consulting, DevOps for ERP, Kairos Functional Suite. Thank you.